Sam, I love this shirt. I bought it with my own money. But you did a good job designing it. Okay. Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today, it's episode 5 of 5. We've reached the end of the road in our...
Tour de Sam.
In our Tour de Sam. No, in our cooking series using Sam the Cooking Guy's recipes and dedicating 5 epic videos of 5 of his epic recipes to him.
Yeah, they've been really good. It's been super fun. We're ending with a bang or a bon.
A bang or a bon. Babe picked this one. Today we're going to show you guys Sam's recipe and how easy it is to make a Vietnamese banh mi sandwich.
An amazingly delicious pork banh mi. Oh yeah, you're going to want this.
With like an awesome pork tenderloin. We're going to do it out on the barbecue. Then we're going to slice it up and oh, it's going to be epic.
They're so good.
All right, guys, it's time for banh mi. And here we go.
Okay, so for our marinade for the pork tenderloin, we're doing 2 limes, sugar, fish sauce, soy sauce, sriracha, and garlic. Start with the soy sauce.
How many are you doing, babe?
I'm gonna do 5.
5 tablespoons?
4, 5. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of sriracha, because we like it spicy. Some fish sauce.
And when I heard about fish sauce, I said, ew.
Yeah.
But Sam says it's rocking, so we're gonna do fish sauce.
It's tremendous. And I know people are looking going, oh my God, fish sauce. Really, Sam? Really? Hey, you know how many of you have requested a banh mi? Do you want the right way or do you want like the crappy, cheap-ass way? I think you want the right way. Get yourself a little fish sauce.
I think you should add another little dash.
1 dash for good measure.
Yeah.
Okay.
The juice, well, those are small. The juice of 2 limes.
The last ingredient is 3 cloves of garlic. We love garlic.
And if you haven't seen me use this little ninja before, it is the greatest little processor on earth. We have a link below that you can find the exact one that I have. And we mix this up. That looks pretty tasty. So we got a little pork tenderloin here.
Great little piece of meat, easy to buy, comes just like this. Cook it the right way, they're perfect.
We're gonna put it in a big freezer Ziploc bag. And we're gonna lay the marinade on it. And we're gonna save a little bit of the marinade for after. Try and get all the air out. And then we're gonna throw it in the fridge for about 4 hours.
While that's marinating, we make our quick Vietnamese pickles that will consist of carrots and daikon radish.
Daikon radish and carrot mixture. And we'll cut this in half. But we'll use all of it, I think. So, we wanna square it off. Okay, and then we're going to put down and make little planks, and then you stack them back up, and you get your little matchsticks. Got it. See? Put those in here. We'll do the carrot. Oh. So we're gonna pickle our carrot and our daikon radish. We're gonna use rice wine vinegar and just enough to cover it. It doesn't have to be like a bowl of soup or anything. A little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, and then mix it up. Get it all in there. And we're gonna put this in the refrigerator as well to marinate.
So
For a few
our
hours.
pork tenderloin has been marinating for about 5 hours now, and we're gonna save that juice in the bag, and we're gonna boil that, and we're gonna, after we boil it, we're gonna baste it on the barbecue. What Babe is gonna do right now is she's gonna take a temperature probe, she's gonna put it in the meatiest part. We're gonna do this on the Weber kettle, smoked, with a little bit of cherry wood. I don't know, 250, between 250 and 300, indirect.
Right here, you think?
Perfect. We'll just put the lid on.
Okay.
And then we're gonna open it up every now and again and we're gonna baste it. So we took all the marinade from the bag and we're gonna boil it. So you just wanna get all the funkiness from the raw pork out, that's why we're boiling it. And then we're going to use it as like a basting glaze out on the barbecue. Oh, hello. So we're at 85 internal and now we're just gonna baste with our sauce. I mean, the smell is just amazing.
Got it up to 130. So now we're going to bring it up to 140 by searing it over the coals. Okay, we're basting and searing. Basting and searing. Smelling delicious.
We just pulled it at 140. We're gonna put a little foil over it, tint it, let it rest. We're gonna slice this up and prepare the sandwich.
Are you guys so excited after all this work that we've put in to build this sandwich and watch us eat it? It's gonna be delicious.
We've had it resting for 20 minutes. So we're gonna cut it, and we cut against the grain.
Look at the juices. I mean, my goodness.
It's so tender. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut this little baby Persian cucumber into really thin pieces. If you have a mandolin, you can use that. If not, just cut them thin. And don't take your finger off while you're at it. Now, Sam said to use a red jalapeno, but we couldn't find one anywhere. So we're just using a basic green one. You just want little thin pieces. And now we build. Now we're not toasting the bread. We're just gonna use this baguette. And you can use a harder bread too.
We really wanted a harder bread.
Yeah, this one's pretty soft, but it will do.
These sandwiches definitely taste better on a harder roll.
They do, with more crunch. Okay, we have Japanese mayo. There's a link below. You should get this. You won't use regular mayonnaise ever again. So we're gonna start with this. I'm gonna put a little sriracha on it.
Be careful, babe. There's also jalapenos.
Just a little bit. So we saved some of the marinade earlier so that we could put it here on our sandwich. Just a little bit. Look at that beauty.
All right, babe, it's time for the meat.
Time for the meat.
And I mean, that pork tenderloin is, it's fantastic. I mean, it is super juicy, it's tender. That marinade is incredible. You can get a little tang from the fish sauce, but yet you get the lime and the soy and the ginger. And did we put ginger in it? I don't know. It tastes like ginger. I don't know. It's crazy good.
Our matchstick veggies that we pickled earlier. This is the daikon radish and carrots. Our cucumbers. Our jalapenos, just a little bit. Some cilantro to top it off.
Okay, I gotta cut this. There's just, look, how is that anywhere around here supposed to get in my mouth? It's not, so should we cut it? Oh, please. It's just not right. The juicy, delicious pork in there, the bite of the pickled daikon and carrot, cilantro making it super fresh, the little snap of the cucumber, the mayo. Gosh.
we go. This is one of my favorite things to eat. Cheers. Oh, really good.
Babe, that is incredible.
It tastes like
Holy moly.
ones we've gotten before, but better.
That is so freaking good.
That is really good. I like this better than going to get it because it's more fresh.
Oh my goodness.
All the flavors with
Wow.
the
Wow. Wow.
the cilantro, the cucumber, the pickled veggies, the spice.
The tastes of everything. Holy shit. Everything that's going on here. This is maybe the best example I can give you of don't eat the same thing all the time. These are flavors that you're just not getting in a cheeseburger or mac and cheese. Not that there's anything wrong with those things, but variety, my friends, variety is where it's at. The Banh Mi rules.
You guys, I hope you enjoyed this 5-part series. Thank you so much, Sam.
Yeah,
babe.
Sam, thank you. We hope you see our videos.
And you guys, try new stuff. Get away from the normal old stuff. This is a little bit intimidating at first, but you can totally do it.
Yeah.
Your cell phone's going off.
Yeah.
You can totally do it.
It's amazing.
Incredible. Amazing.
So good.
Wow.
I'm so happy we
Yeah.
did this.
All right, you guys. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much.
That was fantastic. My client taught me about these a few years ago. She would bring them to me. And this, I've been on like everywhere we go, we'll get one if we see it. This is the best one I've ever had. It was so good. Make this. It's worth it.